Good morning, everyone. Have you logged into the website? Please let me know in the chat box. Let us begin with today's class. Today we are doing pair programming. Let's see what that holds for us today. Okay, let's start over. Let's see, it says here, play with the blocks and try to get me to the bad pig. How are we going to make sure that the angry bird gets to the pig? Today we see we've got a new pink block. Let's see what it does. If we pop the pink block in, we see that it says repeat 3 times. So which way do you think the angry bird needs to go to get to the bad pig? To the left, to the right? Must he go up or must he go down? I think he must go to the left. Is this the left button? Let's see. If we pop it in, snap it into the pink block and repeat 3 times. So you'll jump 1, 2, and 3 times. Let's see what happens when we say run. And you got the bad pig. Let's replay that one more time. Let's see what happens if we leave out the pink block and we just put in the blue arrow. We want the angry bird to jump 3 times. Let's see if this will work. You see, the pink block allows us, let me reset this. The pink block allows us to only put in 2 codes for the same action. So we pop the pink block into the orange block, as well as the blue arrow showing left. Let's see what happens. Has everyone completed the puzzle? Please let me know in the chat box if you want me to continue or redo it. Why are you guys so quiet today? Is it because it's a cold Monday morning? Okay, let us continue. All right, let's see what happens over here. So now it says, give this one a try. Let's see what happens. We want Angry Bird to jump 1, 2, 3 times. Let us see how are we going to do that. Do you think we should use the repeat block? Please let me know in the chat box. Or shall we put 3 blue arrows down? What do you guys think? I think we need to use the repeat block to make our lives easier. So we say repeat. Do we want him to repeat twice or 4 times? Or do you think we want him to repeat 3 times? What action must he repeat and how many times? Yanda, you say we must repeat 3 times and the south button, which is the arrow pointing downwards. Let's see what happens. Well done. You guys are getting better and better. Do you want me to replay this or can I continue to the next puzzle? Let me know in the chat if I can continue, or do you want me to play this one more time? Okay, let's replay this one. So we start over and reset. So we place the repeat puzzle into the when run. And this, we say to the program, we want it to repeat 3 times. And we want to repeat this action, which is the going down or going south action 3 times. Well done, guys. Let's continue. Now, what does it say? Angry Bird says, yeah, piggy, piggy. What can you add to the end of this code to get the bird to the pig? Let's see what happens if we say run. 1, 2, and 3. Now, what must the little angry bird do to get to the bad piggy? Must he go left or right or up or down? I think he needs to go left. Let's see what happens if we put the left arrow or the west arrow into the code. Let's reset and play it again. Wow, well done, guys. Just quickly want to show you something. So here we can see that we've got 3 arrows going downwards. Do you think we can remove the 3 arrows, put in the repeat block that says we need to repeat 3 times going down, and then once going left? Let's see what happens when we say that. 1, 2, 3, and left. Well done. So now you can see when we say we wanted to repeat our steps, it is easier to do it that way. Now it says, move one way, then another to get the bird to the pig. So now, what now? Let us see where Angry Bird is. Angry Bird is over here at the bottom, and our little piggy is over here on the right-hand side. So we must jump up once, then turn to the right and jump 1, 2 times. Let's see how are we going to do that. Please tell me in your suggestion or in the chat box, what do you guys suggest we do? Please also tell me if I need to slow down for you guys or if I am too fast for you. So I think we must ask the Angry Bird to jump up once to get to the same line as the little piggy. And then we need to turn to the right-hand side. But let's see what happens. If we only say he must jump up once and jump to the side once. Let's see. There we go. Oh no. We need to put one more code in. So let us make him jump twice to get to little piggy. And let's reset so that he starts from the beginning. So now he can say run. He jumps up once and jumps twice to get to the bad piggy. Let us see if we take out this and put the little pink block, the repeat block in. But now we don't want it to repeat 3 times. We only want it to repeat twice. So we click the little arrow to change the amount of times that we want the code to be repeated. So we want the right button, the right arrow to be repeated twice. Let's see if this works. And it worked. Congratulations, guys. How are you keeping? Are you keeping up with me? Are you managing? Okay, perfect. So now it says, solve the level and get the bird to the pig. How many times do you think the angry bird needs to jump to get to the little piggy, and what is his steps? Please tell me in the chat box and I will follow your instructions. What do you guys think? And how many times do you guys think the angry bird must do what to get to the little piggy? Mika, you said 3, but what must he do 3 times? Ryan, 7. So he must jump 7 times. Ryan, to the left, to the right, to the top, or to the bottom. Remember, when writing codes, we must be very specific in what we tell the program to do. The program will only do what we tell them to do. So let's see. We want the angry bird to get to the little piggy. So the angry bird must jump 1, 2, 3 times to the right and once down. Let us see if that works. So we say repeat, going to the right 3 times and once going down. Well done, Sean. You've got the correct answer there. There we go. Congratulations, guys. So remember, it's always very important to tell the program exactly what you want to do. There's a challenge puzzle. Let us see what challenge we've got today. It says here, challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brain, just to do the best that you can. Do you think we are ready for a challenge puzzle? Let me know in the chat box so we can see how many people are up for a challenge on this Blue Monday morning. All right, looks like everyone is up for a challenge. Let's see. I'm ready. Let's go. Avoid the TNT to get the bird to the pig. How are we going to avoid that the little angry bird doesn't get blown up by the explosives? What do you guys think we need to do? It says here we need to go up 1, repeat going, let's stop over. Sorry, guys. Okay, so now you've seen the answer already. Let us see. We must go 1 up. Mika, what is the next step? You guys can put up your hands and I will unmute you and then you can tell me as well. Yanda, I'm going to unmute you. Yanda, what do you think is the next step? Yanda?
1 up.
1 up. And then after the 1 up, what must we do? All right, Mika. After we put one up, what do you think is the next step?
And then you go right.
Yes. How many times do you think we must go right? Only once?
3 times.
3 times. So would you say I need to use the pink block, or must I put in 3 yellow, 3 blue arrows?
Use the pink block.
Okay. And then I put in the arrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Abriel, what do you think we should do next?
We should go down one time.
Go down one time. All right, let's put this in. And let us say run and see what happens. Well done, guys. No challenge is a match to us. Let us continue. Okay, now it says time for a short puzzle. Move one way, then the other way to get the little pig. Please put up your hands. Anyone that wants to volunteer to tell me how to do the whole puzzle. Ria, let me unmute you. Ria, what do you think we should do to complete this puzzle?
One time from the right and one down.
One going right and one going down. Let us see. Congratulations, Ria. That was perfect. Let's continue to our next puzzle. Now, what are we going to do? Let's see. Celeste.
Malachi? Malachi. Malachi.
Celeste,
Yes.
are you going to attempt to answer this one for us?
Okay, it's for my son Malachi.
All right, Malachi. Will Malachi answer this question for us?
Yes.
All right, Malachi, what do
I'm
you
going
think we need to do?
You're around it.
So you think we need to use the pink block? Or do we just need to use the arrows?
Our screen's just giving us, okay, keep reading now.
I'm getting in your.
So look at this here on the phone, Solo. How many what must go? Repeat. Repeat.
So we use the little pink block. Yes. We repeat how many
Yes,
times?
please.
Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Or do you think we need to jump 4 times?
Oh, how many times do you think you need to jump? No. How many times do you need to jump? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna say 4. Tell the teacher.
4.
We're going to jump how many times, Micaiah?
4. I mean 5.
4 times.
Yes.
All right. And then we're going to jump 4 times to the right-hand side. Do you think that's correct?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what happens. Well done. You guys are getting very good with the coding. Let's say continue. This is our last puzzle for today. Can you get the pig you can get the pig any way you can. Who would like to make a suggestion as to how we're going to get this little piggy? You guys can put up your hands and then I'll unmute you and you can tell me exactly how to do it. Ria, let me unmute you. All right, Ria, how do you think the little angry bird is going to go and fetch the little piggy?
Right and up and left.
Right. How many times are we going to go right? So I'm going to say right, up, and then you said left. Let's see what happens when we say we are going right, up, and left. Oh no, you couldn't get the piggy. Let's see what we must change here. Do you think he needs to repeat some of these steps?
Yes, teacher.
How are you going to tell me how are we going to do that?
The same. Think about it, Nana. Remember what she did the previous time?
Do you think there's a little block that can help us?
Yes, teacher.
Which one do you think it is?
The pink block.
The pink block. Okay, let's put the pink block in there. Let's quickly count how many times must he jump. So he must jump 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And you must jump 4 times to the right-hand side. All right, I'm going to ask Gabriel to take us on to the next part of the quiz. Gabriel,
Yeah.
what do you think we should do next?
We should get the pink thing.
Yes, the pink block. And then?
We should get the arrow that's facing up 5 times.
5 times. All right. So let us change how many times you wanted to repeat to 5 times. Do you guys think they are correct? Let's see. Well done, Gabriel and Ria. I'm very proud of you guys. That completes our class for today. Tomorrow, we will be doing programming with Ray and Bibi. Cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow. And remember, practice, practice, practice. It is the only thing that will make you better.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.